with that, we're going to shift gears out of the end user side of things, and we're going to take a look at the application design components available within AgilePoint. So one of the foundational elements in AgilePoint is what we call data entity. So you can think of this as a citizen developer oriented data designer. Rather than have your end users design their tables in SQL Server Management Studio, I can always design them here via point and click. So with that, data entity is actually comprised of two components. The first of which are entities themselves. You can think of these as tables. The other side of this product are pick lists. You can think of this as a standard set of values for drop-down lists, or in database terminology, enumerated values. Now within AgilePoint, we're going to give you a generous allotment of out-of-the-box entities for common business objects. Here as an example, you're seeing I have an object for cases. Within this object, I have various fields. Things like the account name that the case belongs to, case number, case owner, contact details as an example. And all of these can be easily built out via point and click. So the process that I might follow to add a new column is first categorize this column. You're seeing here a variety of column types, each of which have their own validation and easily configurable properties. So for instance, if I wanted to add an alternate phone number, I would select the phone category. I would give it a display name. An internal name gets generated as a result. And then I have field-specific configuration properties. Now, just like any other database, I can always create relationships. I can easily view the data associated with a table, manage granular permissions, see everywhere this table is used in an application, and even view the audit trail for this table. Now, if we go back to the home screen here, I will point out that one of the new additions in AgilePoint version 8 has been the ability to automatically create tables based on Excel sheet imports. So as an example, if I wanted to automatically create a table, I would click on Import Entity. And as you can see here, I can create an entity based on various file formats. The new addition in version 8 is to create via Excel sheet. So here I have some brief descriptions and instructions for creating these tables. I would select my file and then click Import. If you'd like to see more on this, we do have a detailed discussion on this topic in the Build Your First Data Entity video. So be sure to check that out if you'd like to see more on this feature. Okay, so that concludes data entity. And just keep in mind, this is primarily citizen developer oriented, right? It is not a required element to use as a part of your applications. And in fact, in the next few moments, you're going to see a deeper discussion on AgilePoint's very deep integration framework.